Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Info tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu. Info tab. There are 5 sections. First section is Protect Workbook. Second section is Inspect Workbook. Third section is Manage Workbook. Fourth section is Browser View Options. Fifth section is Properties. Let's begin with first section, that is Protect Workbook. There are 6 options. First option is Mark as Final. That is, we can let readers know the workbook is final and convert it into read-only mode. Second option is Encrypt with Password, that is, workbook will be encrypted with password. Third option is Protect Current Sheet. That is, we can control what type of changes people can make to current sheet. Fourth option is Protect Workbook Structure. That is, we can prevent unwanted changes to the structure of the workbook, such as adding sheets. Fifth option is Restrict Access, that is, restrict access using IRM. That is, Information Rights Management. Sixth option is Add a Digital Signature. That is, add digital signature using Digital ID. Next section is Inspect Workbook. Under Check for Issues, there are 3 options. First option is Inspect Document, that is, check the workbook for hidden properties or personal information. Second option is Check Accessibility. That is, check the workbook for content that people with disabilities might find difficult to read. Third option is Check Compatibility. That is, check for features not supported by earlier versions of Excel. Next section is Manage Workbook. There is one option, that is Recover Unsaved Workbook. Using this option, we can recover unsaved workbook or workbooks which are closed by mistake, without saving. Next section is Browser View Options. There are 2 tabs. Under Show tab, options available to show in the workbook when viewed on browser are Entire Workbook, Sheets and Items in the workbook. Next tab is Parameters. We can add parameters to specify which cells will be editable when the workbook is viewed in the browser. Also, we can delete all the parameters. Next section is Properties. Under Properties, we can get size, title, tags, comments, template, status, categories, subject, hyperlink base and company. Under Related Dates, we can get last modified, created and last printed. Under Related People, we can get manager, author and last modified by. Under Related Documents, we can open the file location. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy eBook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.